8.3 out of 10. We ran the Heybike Ranger 2.0 through the CineTech Data-Driven AI Analytics system, and the numbers don't lie. Because if you want serious power, fat tires, and a folding frame without spending a fortune, this bike looks like the answer. But one number on the scale might change your mind. Check the best price from the link in the description and hit subscribe. The best electric bikes series keeps going. Now let us look at what this bike can actually handle. City commuting scores a 9.0. The step-thru frame makes it easy to mount. The fat tires absorb everything the road throws at you, and the integrated lights keep you visible after dark. Hill climbing lands at 8.4. The 1400-watt peak motor handles steep urban grades with real confidence, one of the strongest scores in this series so far. Light trail and gravel riding comes in at 8.1. Those 20x4-inch fat tires give you genuine grip on loose surfaces. Where it falls off is long-distance touring at 6.2. Real-world range drops sharply under heavy assist on hilly terrain, and the cadence sensor is not built for sustained efficient riding over many miles. Moving on to daily performance. Motor power delivery is the highlight at 8.8. The acceleration off the line is strong and immediate, and it handles rider weight up to 300 pounds without bogging down. Top speed scores an 8.5, 28 miles per hour. In Class 3 makes this genuinely fast for a folding fat tire bike. Real-world range lands at 7.2. Tested results across rider reports came in between 35 and 50 miles depending on terrain. And assist level, noticeably lower than the advertised figures. Folding ease scores a 7.0. The mechanism itself is simple and works well, but at 72 pounds, moving this bike anywhere by hand requires real commitment. Now for user experience. Fat tire stability scores a 9.1. On wet roads, gravel, and cracked pavement, this bike feels planted and confident in a way lighter bikes simply cannot match. Braking scores an 8.6. Hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors deliver exactly the stopping power you need in traffic. The honest, weak scores. Pedal assist feel lands at 6.8. The cadence sensor works, but cannot match the smooth proportional feel of a torque sensor. Weight and portability scores a 5.4. 72 pounds is the number that decides whether this bike fits your life or not. The battery indicator is also known to fluctuate inaccurately, which can catch you off guard on longer rides. Let us talk about who this bike is actually for. Suburban commuters score a 9.2. Flat to moderate routes with secure parking is exactly where this bike thrives. Heavier and taller riders score an 8.9. 300-pound capacity, step-thru frame, and a powerful motor that does not slow down under load. Casual adventure riders land at 8.3. Great for paved and light gravel exploring. Apartment stair carriers score a 4.5. 72 pounds up a flight of stairs every single day is not sustainable. That red score is the data protecting your back. So is it worth it? Value for money scores a 9.0. Feature set scores an 8.8. 1400 watts, fat tires, front suspension, Shimano gearing, hydraulic brakes, and UL certification. Together at this level is hard to beat. If you have ground floor access or secure outdoor parking, the data says yes. CineTech score 8.3 out of 10. Smart buy if you know what you are buying. Check the best price from the link in the description.